क्या है? Guru has 4 मूर्ति. He is Prem Murti, he is Gyan Murti, he is Bhagavad Murti, he is Shastra Murti. Guru is 4 Murti. First is Guru is Prem Murti. He is embodiment of love. You know why people leave houses? Because they they get love from the teacher. If teacher does not give you love, you cannot leave the house. All other love becomes smaller than the teacher's love. He is Prem Murti. How much mistake you do, he will accept it. This is the glory of, this is the Gurutva of Guru. His hands are ready to embrace. But if Bhagwan wants to love somebody, he does not love directly. He will not come as Lord Krishna and Rama. He will only send some teacher to love you. He expresses through the teacher to love you. He will not come with the Basuri. He will come with the scriptures in the hand. He will come with Gita book, Ramayana book in his hand. This is the Gurutva. He is a Prem Murti of Bhagwan. And second Murti, he is Gyan Murti. And Shastra Murti. Scriptures, he doesn't talk in scriptures. Scriptures talk through him. He doesn't talk on the scriptures. Scriptures talk through him. Scriptures get a medium to talk to him, to everybody. Ramayana gets Tulsidas. When teacher talks on Ramayana, Ramayana gets back its Tulsidas. Bhagavad gets back its Sukdev. And Upanishads get back their Vedavyas. And Gita gets back Krishna. This is the glory of the Guru. Because he is living what he is talking. He is imbued totally. In diving into it, he talks. He has become one with it and talking. He is not out of what he is talking. He is what he talks. He is not talking about brahmacharya. He is brahmacharya. He is not talking about humility. He is humility. He is not talking about Atma. He is Atma. He is not talking about ahimsa. He is ahimsa. He is forgiveness. Not he has, he is forgiveness. This is Shastra Murti. This is Gyan Murti. And third is Bhagavad Murti. Ishwar Murti is there. Ishwaratva is there in the Guru. Then what is the Ishwaratva of the Guru? Ishwaratva of the Guru is that he cuts the very cord of transmigration. Bhukti Mukti Pradata cha. He is Mukti Pradata. He creates a thought of Brahman. You won't go to the next womb now. And even if you go, you will be born as a seeker at least. You will have a very great start. Thank to Guru. He will not be there, but he gave you what he had to give. And ultimately, he is Kripa Murti. He gives what I don't deserve also. I am a foolish person, but still he treats me as if I am a very good person. Still he has not given hope for me. Still he has always cared for me. Guru will go away. His physical body will pass away. But what thought he has given won't pass away. What thought father, mother give of eating, of drinking, of school teacher give, that will pass away. But this thought of bhakti, thought of knowledge doesn't pass away. Thought remains for a long time. At least our mind becomes quiet. Therefore, we should do worship of such teachers.